The robin bird, a beloved symbol of spring, possesses a wealth of intriguing facts. Did you know that not all robins have red breasts? In some regions they have orange or yellow breasts, while others have white or grey. Robins are skilled foragers, using their sharp eyesight to detect earthworms and insects hidden in the soil. Contrary to popular belief, they are not insectivorous all year round. During winter, they adapt their diet to consume berries and fruits. Robins are also known for their beautiful and melodious songs, especially during the mating season. Interestingly, they often return to the same nesting sites year after year, showing remarkable fidelity to their territory. The robin's charm, coupled with its vibrant plumage and delightful melodies, makes it a cherished bird for many nature enthusiasts.